It was a bail that shocked the nation. How did murder-accused superstar Darshan walk free so easily and fly off to shoot in Thailand while he's on trial? Supreme Court has come down heavily on the Karnataka High Court for granting him bail, slamming the Karnataka High Court that bail granted to Darshan in Renuka murder case is perverse exercise of judicial power. The top court has questioned how the Karnataka High Court could pass what looked more like an acquittal than a bail order, especially in a Section 302 case that involves abduction, torture and murder. Justice Pardiwala has asked very bluntly, does the High Court issue such orders in every bail case? This is very troubling to us. Precisely what the Supreme Court has said with regards to Karnataka High Court's order granting Darshan bail. Supreme Court has now reserved its judgment on the state's plea to cancel Darshan's bail. Of course, fireworks unfolded in court. The state's counsel, Siddharth Luthra, cited CCTV footage, call data, forensic reports, even revealing 2 fresh FIRs against Darshan while he was out on bail, including being seen with prosecution witnesses, saying all of this material is there, yet this man is let go on bail. Darshan's lawyer, in the meanwhile, Siddharth Dave, has argued back, saying that eyewitnesses are unreliable, statements were delayed, and the case itself is full of inconsistencies, so he has the right to bail. In fact, Darshan's lawyer has accused the prosecution of trying to suppress facts. But the bench wasn't convinced. Justice Pardiwala in the Supreme Court has asked, why day-to-day trial for Darshan when everyone else, all the other under trials, have to wait for 5 to 7 years for such a bail to come by? Darshan is accused of abducting and torturing his fan Renuka to death over messages allegedly sent to his partner and actress Pavitra Gowda. Darshan is currently in Thailand shooting for his next film, Devil, while he's on bail. He's expected to return in a day's time. The Supreme Court has reserved its verdict, a ruling that could not only decide Darshan's fate but also will reset the way courts across India handles bail in such serious criminal offences.